Okay, Neil, this next piece of equipment is called the H395. Okay, this replaced the old high current thermocouple test set. Rolls-Royce had us build this. I'm going to have one of my young men, Darren Troilo, explain how it works.
We've got the T56 Type 3 thermocouple here. What we do is we set it inside the tester like so, and then we lock it down. Or
give a good ground.
So what we have is we've got the power cable that goes into your wall unit. What you'll see is an open tip. We'll select that because that's the type thermocouple we have. We've got an automatic test, a manual test. The automatic test will do the insulation first, and then the thermocouple test. The manual test does the same thing. They just do it individually. So we'll go ahead and turn the power on. It will run through its bit check. Let you know what software is in there. It's revision 1.02, and now it's ready for the test. We've selected open tip. We'll go ahead and toggle automatic test, and what you'll see is the insulation test first. 500K on TC1, 500K on TC2. Now I'll go the amp test, 0.062, 0.059, and insulation passes.
Okay, now do a manual test for me.
And the manual test, we'll go ahead and turn the automatic test off. We'll go ahead and select insulation. Go back down to manual test, and here you'll see the insulation, 500K, 500K.
Neil, that third 500K, it actually does a third test that the old tester doesn't do. It checks the insulation between the two thermocouples. So 3 insulation tests, thermocouple 1 to ground, thermocouple 2 to ground, and then thermocouple to thermocouple.
And then we'll go ahead and select the toggle off, go up to TC, toggle back down to manual, and then you'll see the high current test. And it passes.
Okay, Neil, so the point is we have 2 testers, the H394 and the H395. Now, the H395 is a very fast, quick, and simple test. You could do 30, 40 thermocouples really quickly. This one here takes quite a bit of time. So in a perfect world, you would use this tester on the initial installation of the thermocouples, or if you have any quick concerns. But if you really want to know the accuracy and the output of the thermocouple, then you take this tester, which you may already have,